Alright, here are some units in Adriatica Village. Has some smart comforts. Go open and scroll. Oh, this one's actually a carrier. Sadly, it has an LG. Same with this one. LG. Looks like it's from 2017. Whoa, what's this? Why is there just a random panel laying right here? That's really strange. Oh, this died apparently, this carrier. There must have been another carrier here. 2023. I don't think any of these have been running. Alright, we'll go to the next area. Alright, so do y'all remember when Andrew Badish filmed all these units behind this fence? And like there was not a fence here. They put a fence here. And there's the American Standard was on. But there's a lot of little ICPs and Goodmans in here. Let's see if I can get a good look at any of these. Okay, here's this American Standard from 2016, which is on. There's a Lennox, a big Lennox. There's some smart comforts back there. But yeah, pretty interesting. Alright, so I don't know if y'all remember this little place, but this is where Andrew filmed these two American Standards in a Samsung unit. But I think both of them are running. Here's the Samsung. I don't really know what the year is from, but I imagine it's from 2016. We got two American Standards. One is on, I think. Yep, Gold Series. Probably an Alliance scroll. Yeah. This one's from 2016. These are both from 2016. Oh, this one's off. Oh, looks like it's lost its logo. $24,000 BTUs. Alright, on to the next area. Let me see if I can actually put my phone over the fence. See them just a brief second. Alright, on to the next area. I'm gonna move all these end pins. Alright, we'll get it. Oh, one just started up in there. Not sure if y'all heard that. There's an open window right there. I'm not gonna go near that. Here are these Goodmans and Lennoxes. There's a bunch of Merritts in there. And some Goodmans. All those. And there's also a mini split. I think it's an LG. There's a top view. Nothing's on in there. Here's a little LG mini split. I'm not gonna get the data on it because Andrew Badish already got it. And then here are two Lennox Merritts from 2021. Both have scrolls, I believe. Yep, scroll compressors. $2021. This one's the same. Both are off. I think they've been running though. Yeah, they've been on. Nice, got a startup. Here are these, which I don't think Ingerbidis ever filmed these units. This one's from 2023. Here's some heat pumps. 2013. This one is, I think, a straight cool. Yeah, 2013. This one, and all these are like from 2013. But a newer carrier. Looks like a 2023. Yep. Look at that big fat climate tuff. This one on the end is running. Got a little refrigeration component. I think a recip compressor. Let's see. I don't know if these have been running. There's a shot of the logo. Oh, that is on this side. This one's from 2014. Yeah. Majority of these are 2013. And they're American standards. Alright, on to the next area. Here's a little top view. Here's a Lennox V. Not running. Here's another one. ECM fan motor. Let's just start it up. Huh. Two carriers. 2020. We have some American standards. Got some carrier comforts in there. Got some Lennox V's. And some more carrier comforts. Got some, looks like a carrier infinity and a carrier comfort. Better view. An American Standard Platinum Series, which is running. It's another Platinum Series. That one is off. There's some in there, but there's like a bunch of bushes up. Another Platinum series. I think it's running too. There's another one. And it just veers off to more. Alright. Got some XRs right there. I'm not gonna go up to those. There's an open window. I don't really see anything over here except some American Standards, which I filmed earlier, but I think one started up. This one was running. No, it hasn't been running. It's the energy guy. It's a 15 to 18 SEER. And this one hasn't been running either. There are these two American Standards. I think only one of them is running. Yeah, it's that one. I believe they're from 2014. The data on these. Found it. No, they're from 2012. This one is the same. I don't think this one's been running. Actually, no, I don't think it's been on. Yeah. Alright, so while I was away, sun turned on. This one just shut off. It's working great. The liquid line is warm and the suction line's cold. This thing sounds like it's dying. Not sure if any of these have been running. Doesn't look like it. No. Alright. Alright, here are some mini splits. And looks like a Weather King. Oh, it's a ream. 2013. It's got a scroll. A train mini split. Mitsubishi Electric. Whatever these are, I think they're VRVs. And this green mini split's also running. Alright. Next area. Alright, here's some weirdly misplaced air conditioners. This one's an American Standard Silver. Which, yeah, I've seen these before. Alliance Scroll. None of these are on. And a York Olympian. Probably a Bristol. Oh, that's a big Bristol in there. Another American Standard Silver Series. 2024, this is brand new. Here's another one. 2022. And I bet these replaced York Olympians. Let's get the data on this one. Let's see, 2007. Bristol. Pretty cool. This one looks like a 2023. Heritage 16. I've seen these before. 2010. Very cool. I'll go and get a picture. It's an American Standard right there. I'm not gonna go up to it, obviously. But there it is. Alright, so here's some American Standards that Andrew British filmed. I'm gonna get the data on one of them. 2010. This is like right by the road. Looks like it's got an Alliance. Alright. Here's the units that I just filmed. And here are these three. Oh, they're American Standard Heritage 16s. I don't think anyone's in the building. These are all off. I thought they would have two compressors. Let me get the data on this one. 2010. These probably have ECM fan motors. Go and get a picture. Let's get the smaller one in here. Two more on this side of the building. Oh. So am I running over here? I remember he filmed these too. Got an LG. And some of these, the American Standards are on. And yeah, they have no... These are from 2009. These are Allegiance 16s. Not running. And this one right here is a little bigger. Oh, this one's a Silver Series, never mind. 2021. So I must have replaced Allegiance then. American Standard Silver Series up there. And up here are some Amana, which are pretty quiet. 14 Sears. That one's running. Got 2 more right there. And then there's actually 1 more over here. Oh, look at this. I got the new style of Goodman. I don't think any of these are on. Oh, 1 is. Gonna get the data on this one. 2022. Oh, and this one too. 2022. They're probably all from 2022, except the newer Goodmans. I'll go ahead and get the data on one of these guys. Yeah, 2023. Alright, that concludes this HVAC heaven. Alright. Gonna try to get these in all one shot. Alright, that concludes the HVAC heaven. Thank y'all for watching, and over and out.